Every morning, we wake up to see our cities shrouded in thick pollution. At Idealist Social Enterprises, we exist to help protect you from harmful pollution.
My grandma and I returned to Beijing after several months of traveling. On approach, we were hit by the heaviest air pollution in the history of the city. The pollution continued for several more days before I returned to San Francisco. As soon as I arrived, I called my grandma to tell her that I was safe, but no one picked up. I always get scared when she doesn't pick up. My grandma had a stroke. According to her doctors, a lot of elderly people suffered strokes and heart attacks during that short period of time. I was devastated. Half of my family lives in Beijing, but I couldn't find an actual pollution mask, a mask that seals. I had to find a solution.
Starting from scratch, ID Mask completely redesigned the pollution mask in order to solve the problems other masks can't. To eliminate the leakage of polluted air, the ID Mask team used data points from the faces of more than 100,000 people to design a soft and flexible seal. 2 airlocks secure the high-efficiency filters imported from the USA. The filters are designed for low resistance, allowing easier breathing even during intense exercise. During our user testing period, over 6,000 masks were sold without any marketing costs. We live in a polluted era. According to NASA, over 80% of the world's population lives in higher than acceptable amounts of air pollution. The World Health Organization and IARC have classified PM 2.5 as a Group 1 carcinogen, the deadliest form of air pollution. In India, there are already 4.4 million children with irreversible lung damage.
Hi, I'm Henry, and I founded ID Mask to alleviate the global pollution problem. We gathered designers from Silicon Valley, Sweden, Germany, and China to create new products to protect your health. Our diverse team gives us unique opportunities in creativity and energy.
This fall, we're releasing ID Mask 2.0 and our new Kids Mask, which was designed with the feedback from thousands of users. And we aren't stopping at masks. We will expand to solve the most pressing health issues faced by our generation, with solutions for air pollution, water pollution, and food safety. We want to wake up to this. Breathe clean air, drink clean water, and eat healthy, nourishing foods. By 2020, China's clean tech market will be worth $500 billion. Invest in us and invest in your future. Click the link below for more information.